In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily recover deleted drafts on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first off, we need to open up Instagram app. Once it is done, tap right here at your profile picture to go to your Instagram profile page. Then tap right here at these three lines. On the next step, select your activity and then scroll down to the very bottom where we need to tap at download your information. After that, we'll be taken to the next step where we need to tap at this button which says download or transfer information. Then select your Instagram account and hit next. After that, tap at all available information. Then download to device and hit next. After that, you will be taken to that step where you can select a date range. Here by default last year is selected. However, we can tap right there and then we can choose a date range from 1 week to all time. I'm gonna choose last 3 months and then hit save. Also here you can select media quality. By default it is set to medium, however we can set it to high. Once it is done, tap right here at create files. What that will do, that will create a file that includes all your data on Instagram, including the deleted drafts. And once it is done, now as you can see it says in progress. However, after a while we'll have to tap somewhere here at download button to download this file to our device. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.